Hey guys, what's up? Joe here. Gonna check out a puzzle today called Killer Dots of the Night by Chip Sounder. Place the digits 1 to 6 in each row, column, and 2 by 3 box. Column, row, and 2 by 3. Without repetition. Cells separated by a knight's move in chess cannot contain the same digits, so that is the little L looking shape. Can be in any direction. Like that. Clues outside the grid give the sum of the digits on the indicated diagonal. Let me turn this down a bit. Digits may repeat if allowed by other rules. Digits may repeat if allowed by other rules. So this 10 does not necessarily have to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, but it could be. If they did have to be different digits, then it would be. But they may repeat if allowed by other rules, so this definitely does not have to be. Digits in a dotted cage cannot repeat and must sum to the given total in the top left corner of the cage. Digits separated by a black dot have a 1 to 2 ratio. Okay, so that is what we have. I think the white is a consecutive, but I didn't see that anywhere. But that's usually what white dots are usually consecutive, black dots are usually a 1 to 2 ratio. Yeah, that's weird. I don't see the white dot in here in the rules, but we're gonna assume it's normal Kropke dot rules, which is what those are often referred to. So the 1 to 6 can be 1, 5, or 2, 4. Just mark those up. The black dot in this puzzle can be a 1, 2, a 2, 4, or a 3, 6 only. Let's think on this. Oh, and can be a 9 as well. Let's think on this 10 maybe. And think, can this 10 have a 5 in it? If it did, it would need 2 more 2's and a 1. And the 2's would have to be in one of these. And the 1 would have to be in one of these. The 2 would be here. If this was a 5. If it was a 4, it could be just a 1, 2, 3. Can a 6 be here with it? A 6, or well, not there, obviously, but a 6 could have 2 1's and a 2. So this could be a 1. These 2 could be 2. Oh no, that's not right. It would be 2 1's. This would be 1. This could also be 1 and a 2. So these 4 digits are from 1 through 6, basically, which doesn't help much. The 3 and the 6 have to go over there for what it's worth. What about the 9 then? This could be a 6 with a 2 1 or a 2 3's. No, yeah, a 2 1. this could be 4. Hmm. It's the highest digit this could have. A 6 is the highest digit. That's also the highest digit in the puzzle though. We're not really removing anything. 6 could go here even. 6, 3 with a 1, 2 on either side. Do these have to be different? Let's just restart this, keep the time, and try to do a... Well... Let's assume that they are the same. Let's see where it gets us. Oh, the knight's move is gonna help. Let me think again on it now. I forgot about that rule already. So they cannot be the same. They are different because this would rule out both of these. So this cell right here goes in only one of those 2 spots. And it also only goes in one of these 2. And it could not go here. It could not go here. So it goes in one of these 2. It could not go there. It could not go there. It could not go there. Can't go there. Okay. So that's a bit of a start. Green can only go in one of those 2. So it will be repeated on the 10. Can only go in one of these 2. It could be repeated 3 times along the 10. Green cannot go here because these are different digits. If green went here, red would have to go here, and we can't have that. Green cannot go, well. So green can't go there. Green goes in 3 spots in that one. These are also different colors because we know they are different numbers. This is going to be a green blue double. This one will make yellow. Can only go in one of those 2. Can only go in one of these 2. Yellow cannot go here. Yellow cannot go here. It's not too exciting. Yellow can only go in one of these 2. Yellow and red have made a combo. Okay, this one cannot be red. So this one right here cannot be any other color that is already in the puzzle, because it sees them all. It sees red by Knight's Move and the green by Obvious Means. So we'll make that one our next color. Pink now goes in one of those two. Pink in one of these two. One of those three. Pink cannot go there. I don't like that though. Pink cannot go here. Pink cannot go here. So it does go, and it can't go here as well, because that would see it by Knight's Move. And it can't go in these two because they've made a double already. So pink does go there. Now pink cannot go here as well. So it goes in one of those two. It couldn't go here because then it wouldn't have a place in this square up here, in this 2x3. So pink is in one of these. It is going to be consecutive with perhaps red, but maybe not. Okay. This sees everything but blue. I need to find one. I maybe could do more work with blue. Blue goes in one of these. It's also making a... Oh, pink does not go there. Pink does go here. Now pink does go right here. So we have almost all of pink. Blue goes in one of those two. Blue also goes in one of these two. Blue cannot go here. Blue cannot go on this bottom row. It goes in one of these two. Now that blue are on the right hand side of both of these, we know that blue goes there. It doesn't help us with this box up here though. Well, I could just make these our other two colors, as they are full of the other four. Let's think more on maybe red. No, not red. Let's maybe try that. Let's do this one first. Let's make it light blue. Light blue has to go in one of these. Oh, not gonna get much from that. Let's do a dark purple here. Dark purple is in one of these. Dark purple can't go here. Dark purple is gonna make a double with bright pink. Dark purple now goes in one of these. And again, since we've got dark purple on the right hand side of both of these, dark purple goes here. And now we have the red, and the red can't see any of those. Still has a choice of two. Haven't made a combo, I don't think. Alright, what do we got? Oh, yellow? Yellow cannot go here, because it would block out yellow from this box. So yellow does go here. Blue does go here. Now blue does not go here. Oh, well, I don't know if that was correct yet, really. Blue is only left here. Yellow could have still went there. But it's all of the other colors, and this is now green. This is now dark purple. Yeah, okay, I was right. This is now yellow. This is now light blue. This is now dark purple. This is... uh-oh, that's not right. Back up, back up, back up. That might be right till about there. It was right till I marked purple up there, I think. I will see what I did wrong here. Did yellow there. This is not quite purple yet. This is blue. No, I made a mistake. Made a mistake somewhere. Purple goes in one of these. Purple goes in one of these. Purple goes in one of these. That all looks right so far. Purple goes here. Which puts red there. This is now a blue, light blue. Light blue goes here. Yellow goes there. This is no longer yellow. It is red. This is yellow. Now this is yellow. Oh, there's no yellow in this box. What have I done? Do I have more than 6 colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do. I have 7 colors. What the heck? Let's just restart. Goofy. Alright. I have goofed my colors. Sorry about that. Alright, this is gonna be green. Can't go there. Can't go there. Can't, oh, I already know it can't go there. It can't go in that box. And it can't go there. It goes in 3 spots there that I don't like. Red. Goes in one of those 2. These are different. Blue makes a pair. Blue goes in one of these. Blue goes in one of these. Blue goes in one of these. Blue goes up here. Okay. This is a different color. Yellow goes in one of these. Yellow here. Yellow. It's one of those. Alright, and then this one was a different color. I'll do pink for it. It went in one of these two. Pink cannot go here. Pink can also not go here. Oh, pink went here. Pink went in one of these. It couldn't, this wasn't possible. Well, it's in the column already. Also nice move though. So this cannot be like that. It has 3 options there. Don't much care for that. 2 options here. That does make a combo there with green. Okay. Alright, where is our other color? Red hasn't went up here yet. This has 3 in it. It needs blue and yellows. No, it needs red and yellow. This sees everything but red. So this is either a new color or red. Could be either though. I wonder if it's time to start thinking about green. Green cannot be a high number now. Green, it can't be a 4. Oh, it could be a 4 actually. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 only. And we know it repeats on the line, is why I knew it had to be under 5. Because it could still be a 4 because we could go with 2 1s. But that's only if blue was 1 and blue was here. Green would have to be here. See if we can get a little bit more on our colors here. Like green cannot go there, but where else? Green goes in 3 spots. Can't go there. I could kind of... Oh. Okay, green can only go in these 3 spots in this cell. It also is only in these 2 spots. There's nothing in the middle. In these 4 rows. So green is in one of those. Now if green went here, it would have to be in this corner. But that looks okay, to be honest. Now, how do we manipulate red up there? Green, blue, yellow has almost made a triple. If we can get one of them out. So red, green. Pink cannot go here. Pink can go here, here, or here. Only. And there's only one more color to place, I must remember. If this was green... if that was green, that could be red and be a 4-2 right here. This would be a 1-5. Which looks okay, actually. Yellow cannot go here. It cannot go here. Yellow could go in several places still. Need to get yellow up here, also red. And then we have a loose color still. Red goes in somewhere over here. It can't go here. And it can't go here. It can't go in either one of those. Red goes in one of these two. Red, yellow, green has made a triple. Oh wait, there's a... What about pink? Pink cannot go here. Pink cannot go here. Or here. Could go in any other one though. Wait, is that a triple? That is still a triple though. Yeah, because red, yellow, and green can only go in these. So that is a triple. And that does make that green. I think that is correct. We'll find out. This is no longer pink. It doesn't mean it's red, because red could go there. But it does make this one pink. And it puts pink in one of these, making a double, and now we can get our last digit. Yeah, we'll just make it there. And that is our last digit. So it goes in one of these two. Or maybe we should pick a different spot actually. I guess that's okay. This is not green now. Doesn't mean it's blue yet, but it does make this one green. This This one's no longer green. It's got a red-yellow combo. Let's see, did we get anything else from that? Red could still go there, be a 4-2. But really, it could be any of those digits. So any of those would work on a Kropke dot. 1 could go with 2, 2 could go with 4, 3 could go with 6, 4 could go with 2. But I mean, we could go ahead and just mark them. Pink is going to be consecutive with red. It could be a 5 even. It could be anything but a 6, basically. Pink cannot be 1. Oh wait, yeah, maybe it could. I'll know pink can't be a 1 if this is red in the corner. Because, well, no, I wouldn't. Forget that. It's bad logic. This is yellow or red. It's the only thing left to go in the row. And of course, one of these are yellow and one of them is red as well. Is there anything else that's... This is pink, blue, green. Which is all the colors in this column. So this is pink. Oh no, it could still be green. I don't know where green goes in this box. Maybe I just start marking the colors that I don't have in there. Well, blue, light blue goes in one of these, making a double. Light blue cannot go there because of Knight's move and column. Light blue goes in one of these. That's making a double with red. So this is making with green. What's missing from here? This is just yellow or light blue. Yellow or light blue right there. This is yellow or light blue right here. I think it could be either. Yellow cannot go here though. Yellow cannot go here, but it could go here. And it could go here. We've almost made a triple. Not quite. Blue. I don't think blue could be... Well, yeah, it could. It could still be 5. Green is in 9 twice as well. Now, can it still be 4? Blue would have to be 1 then, and it would have to be right there. But that would work. Blue could still be, if that was 3, it can't be 3. Blue cannot be 3 anymore. Can it be 2? If it was 2, it would need 5 more. I don't think it can be 1. If it was 1, it would need 7 more, and that cannot fit in the puzzle. If it was 1, it would be 2, it would need 7 here, and 7 is more than 6, plus it is only the digits 1 to 6 as well. So this is now a 1, 2, or 4. But it's not dark blue. But that's okay though. Dark blue could still be 1. These could be 4, and whatever color this ends up being could be 2. If it was 2s here, 2, this would be 4, dark blue would be 5, yellow would be 1. I think that would be okay as well. So green can only be 2 or 4. This can only be... Red is only 2 or 4 as well because of that. Okay. Red could actually still go there. Which would be fine. Okay, where does another color go? This is only 2 or 4. Might as well mark it. These are going to be a 1 or 5. Because I know red and... Because I know they're different from red and green. This is 1 or 5. Am I gonna get something here? Maybe not. Not yet. That's 225 or 441. What about this way? Could be 4411 or 22 would need 6 more. What if this was green? It would be 246. And then red would have to be 4. Or red would have to go here. That would be possible as well. Ah, but then red couldn't go there. Ah, but the 1 could. Oh, man. That is totally possible then. This could be 2, 4, 6. Red could go here. No, red cannot go there. But red would have to go there. So green cannot. Okay, hold on. If green was 2, it would have to be in all 3 spots. Red would be 4, and red is what would have to go right here, and it cannot because the knight's move. So green is indeed 4. And that also means that it does not reappear here, which makes this blue and this one green. And I think it also makes, yeah, it also makes dark blue appear here and forces it to be 1. Whoops. Now yellow is 5, dark blue is 1. Whatever color this is now a 2. It's going to end up being one of the other colors. How about that? This is now dark blue because of Sudoku. This is now pink. We can probably sort out much of our colors now. This is now green, which is a 4. This is going to be pink. This is a 4 in the corner. 4s are done. Let's see. We should have more colors sorted, shouldn't we? Maybe? No? Well, what about Sudoku? A 2 goes up here. Oh, we know the 2 is red as well. That's going to give us a lot. So this is not light blue. This is red. This is now yellow. This is now yellow. This is now light blue. This is now yellow. This is not yellow. This is yellow. This is not. This one is. Good. Yellows are 5. Only 2, 3, and 6 left. Only those can be. Oh, this is. Uh-oh. I made a mistake again. back it all the way up to our green logic. Where am I goofing at? 1, 5. Okay. If this was 2, I was thinking, if all 3 of these were green, if green was 2, alright, but this could be 2, 4, with 6 left over. 2, 4, with 6 left over. Or no. 2, 4. It couldn't be 2 and be only these 2. So if it was 2, it would have to be this one as well. And that would be 2, 4, 6, and it would need 10. Which red would be 4, but red cannot go there. If it was only these 2, the reason that it couldn't be valid is because it would need 6 more. Which would either have to be 4-2, which wouldn't work because of what I just went through, or it would be 5-1. Now, yellow would have to be one of those, and yellow cannot go in either spot. It sees this one by knight's move, and it sees this one by column. So, therefore, it must be 4. And blue must be 1. And therefore blue must go here to make the 10. Hopefully I just made a error on my coloring or something. But that should be correct. This is not blue anymore. This is blue. This is not blue. This is 4, 4, 1. This is dark blue. This is not. Doesn't mean it's yellow yet. This is not dark blue. This is 2 though. We know 2 is red. So this is not red. This is not yellow. This is not red. Red now goes here. I think I did just make an error on my coloring. Which is good. Good that the logic wasn't wrong. This is light blue now. This is light blue now because of column and row. Not yellow. This is yellow. This is not yellow. This is yellow. This is not yellow. This is yellow. Light blue. This is red.
Okay. This is not pink. I think we have all of our colors sorted now. Now we just fill them in. And what? Yellow is 5. So pink has to be 6. Light blue is going to be 3. Yellow is 5. And 4 is green. And that should do it. That was a fun little puzzle. Little 6x6 Killer Dots of the Night by Chip Sounder. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.